This is one of the easiest Leetcode questions, 1832. It's called Check if the sentence is pangram. A pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once. We need to write a function that can tell us if a sentence containing only lowercase English letters is a pangram. Otherwise, we have to return false. So we return true if it is a pangram. Otherwise, we have to return false. They confirm here that the sentence consists only lowercase English letters. And it means that we're not going to get integers or weird characters in the string. It's only going to be alphabet or English lowercase letters. Now, the logic here to solve this challenge is simply to check the unique values in the string, because they say here every letter appears at least once, meaning that when we grab the sentence and we extract all the unique values in there, we don't care about duplicates, only the unique values, we should get 26 unique values, because the alphabet has 26 characters. It doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase. We have 26 characters. Now, it's good that in this challenge, they say we are only working with lowercase English letters, because if we had uppercase letters and we extracted unique values, then it would be a bit slightly more complicated, because we would need to make sure that we combine uppercase and lowercase. For example, uppercase F is the same as lowercase f, and so on. In this case, we don't need to check for uppercase, lowercase. There is no case sensitivity here. We just need to extract the unique values and count if we have 26 unique values. Now, this is how you can do this in Python. You can pass your sentence, which is the parameter here, the string, pass it to a set, and this will give you a set of unique items. So if we have a very long sentence, it doesn't matter if it's 100 characters, we're going to extract the unique characters in there and store them in a set. Once we have the unique characters, which appear in the string here, I can simply check the size of my sets using the len function. Once I get the size, I can compare it. Did I have 26 lowercase characters? That is unique characters. If I did, it means I had a pangram. I don't need to have a condition that checks true or false. This will tell me, because it's a condition, by itself, it returns true or false. Or I should say it evaluates to true or false. If I have 26 unique characters, this evaluates to true, meaning I return true. Otherwise, it's false. So that's the full logic. Very simple, only one line. It's very convenient in Python to use the set function. Now let's check the test cases. We've passed both of them, and now I can submit. And we've passed all the test cases. So that's it for the Leetcode question called Check if sentence is pangram. Stay tuned for more solutions.